This is a quick video demonstrating how to clean the ends of your cartridges. This will help you to prevent error codes like 1401 and 1404. Remember, before you remove any cartridge, you have to release the pressure and also have the machine turned off. You can have it turned on if you're running the machine and you realize that the ink is low. Just make sure that you release the pressure by opening this up, this plug, pulling it up, putting it back in. Then after, you will need to do a head clean. So we'll just make sure we do this with a napkin, because normally with ink it will spray everywhere because of the pressure. Put it back in, then we'll eject it. And the reason why we do that is because usually you'll have ink that would spill out on this side because of the pressure. And we do have some ink that spilled out here, which is another reason why I'm doing this video, because it's very important to clean these cartridges at least once a month so that inside your ink bay it doesn't get filled up with a bunch of ink and get built up. So, okay. Now normally I would do a head clean right now, but I'm not going to. I just gotta have to tell you that you'll need to do that. So now I'm going to use purple hammer. And I've got these Q-tips, okay? I've got this lint-free towel as well. So what we'll do is, we've got the cartridges at a 90-degree angle. We'll just twist, and then we'll also twist while pushing this swab on the outside. And we can see we've got some buildup here. You see we got some chunks of ink. So this is a perfect reason why you would need to do this. Make sure your carts are clean. We got to clean all this junk up too, so we will clean that up. Okay. Just have a few swabs handy. I'll just clean these white ones right now. And the safe thing to do is to clean them off. Okay. I'm just going to put a little bit more, just to be safe and not dip the swab back into the bottle. I'll just put it in the cap. So I don't want any sediment going back into that bottle, just in case I need to use to flush the printer. So I don't want any sediment getting into the cartridges and creating some type of clog. You can see all this gunk that's being built up on these nozzles. Or I mean that exterior port of the cartridge. See, look at that. This is after 1 month. So all my whites are done. Now I'm going to go to the lightest color, yellow, then magenta, then to the cyan. See, look at that. Look at all that dried up ink. If you feel like you need to keep cleaning it, then do so.
definitely need to clean these, because cleaning the ports where the cartridges go into can also cause pressure problems if the felt that the cartridge touches comes off. It can also create that error as well, the 1401 or 1404 error. So any little thing that comes off of that port can cause that error, and it will not let you start up the printer. So we've got more there. We'll get some more purple hammer. And we'll just clean all these up. All that gunk. If for some reason you start fresh after 6 months with a new cartridge and you notice that one channel isn't working, what you can do is actually see if ink got through here and if any ink is inside. So if there's not really much ink inside this area that shoots out of the cartridge, then you know that that cartridge is not going to work well. So other than that, this is how you clean these cartridges. Make sure you do this once a month. Keep them nice and fresh. Keep all the ink out so that no dried ink or sediments will get into the system, clog it, cause those errors, and could potentially cause a printhead clog. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to email support.